Warm-blooded, she is on the hunt for fellow warm-blooded prey. Her face covered in tiny pores, sensitive to minute electrical signals. This fur seal is exactly what she's looking for. Her senses supercharged and focused. But missed. She can't give up. She's pregnant and she needs to feed. Despite what's often portrayed on TV, over 50% of great white hunts are unsuccessful. Especially when some seals have become super smart. By getting behind the shark, the seal evades her keen senses. She cannot see or detect the seal anymore. And at just the right moment, it makes a run for it and is gone, leaving our lady hungry and alone once more.